So, students of 8th class, let's continue with the chapter 3, that is the judiciary. So, in this part, we shall do the question answers. So, first we have is tick the correct answer. Cases related to theft, robbery, killing, physical injury, writing, etc. It is a criminal cases. The number of judges in the Supreme Court is fixed by the Parliament. Which among the following writs is issued by a court to public servant to inquire into the legality of his holding a public office? That is A part, Quoranto. In case of the violation of the fundamental rights, we may approach the Supreme Court. A part. Fifth, the first Lok Adalat was organized at Junagadh. B part. Then we have fill-ups. In the first fill-up, it is Supreme Court. In the first part, it's the Supreme Court. And in the second fill-up, it's Chief Justice and 33 judges. And then third, the judges of High Court retire at the age of 65. Fourth fill-up, the courts at the district level and below it are known as the subordinate courts. And the last fill-up is who is the Chief Justice of India? It is a Sharad Arvind Bobde. Matchups. You can see the matchup here 5, 4, 3, 1, and 2. And these are the true false. False, false, true, false, and true. Now the question answers. Why is the judiciary important? Take page 132. It is the job of the judiciary to interpret or explain the meaning of these laws. These laws mean the constitutional laws. So instead of these, you can cut these and write constitutional laws and to give punishment to the lawbreakers. Second question, students. What is the composition of the Supreme Court? Again on page 132. So in the second column, page 132, it consists of Chief Justice and not more than 33 other judges. Then you cut as on the 16th August 2019, the bracket one you cut it and continue the number of judges in the Supreme Court is fixed by Parliament from time to time. Then who appoints judges of the Supreme Court? You can write President. Then there is one more question. What are the qualifications of Supreme Court? Page 133. These are the qualification. You can take any three. You can take any three. Then describe the powers of function of the High Court and what type of cases come before the High Court. So you can take this one. Original jurisdiction. You can give heading original jurisdiction and then what is underlined you can take. Means the authority to hear cases from the first time. Okay. So all cases where interpretation of the Constitution is acquired. Okay. Sorry. This is a wrong answer I have given you. They have asked about High Court. So it is here. My dear students, fourth answer is here on page 134. Original jurisdiction. So you can write down, I have underlined this one, you can give heading original jurisdiction. Then you can write cases relating to fundamental rights, divorce, wills, and laws relating to marriage can be brought directly to a high court. This is the answer. And then appellate jurisdiction, you can give heading, second point, appeals in civil and criminal cases are made to the high court against the decision of the subordinate court. That is enough. Then, what are the functions of district judge? I have written here all the civil cases are dealt by district judge. Example, cases concerning property, contracts, abuse, etc. When district judge hear the criminal cases is known as a session judge. That is enough. Then you have another question, distinguish between civil and criminal cases. Page 132. These are the two points you can take. Sixth answer, criminal cases and civil cases. This both. This. Then explain various type of writs. When are they issued? Various type of writs. Habeas corpus. First one, you just write the court can get the body of any person released. Only this much. The court can get the body of any person released under habeas corpus. Second, prohibition. It is order to an inferior court to stop proceeding. Order to an inferior court to stop proceeding. You can write here order. It is order to an inferior court. Then certiorari, which is a Greek term. It's order to a judicial or quasi-judicial authorities in order to quash its order. So instead of quash, you can write the meaning here, or reject. You can, instead of quash, you can write reject. Then mandamus, no need mentioning mandamus, otherwise the answer will be too long. So you come to queveranto because they are similar. So certiorari is enough. Sorry, prohibition and mandamus is similar. So queveranto, such a type of writ is issued by a court to public servant to inquire into the legality of his holding a public office. That is enough. Then mention the significance of Lok Adalat. Page 136. This is the significance, the Lok Adalat. Till here, people. So that's all from the third chapter. Prepare it well. Thank you.